For over 25 years, Tacton has helped manufacturing companies to configure, price, and quote large industrial equipment. Easy configuration and visualization of the configured product are powerful enablers for making sales simple, even for these complex solutions. But how do you ensure that the equipment you offer actually fits into the room, building, or industry facility of the end customer? For instance, if you offer production lines with multiple machines and conveyors, how do you ensure that the line is shaped and sized so that it can operate in the facility in which the end customer intends to use it? How do you avoid collisions with pillars, walls, and doors in the space? These questions are important to answer early in the sales process so that you don't spend time and valuable sales resources on wrong prospects. Today, these assessments require involvement of engineering, consuming both time and resources, especially if the customer requirements change frequently during the sales process. Tacton CPQ's visualization already addresses some of these challenges by providing visual context to the configured product. This includes measurements, ready-made backdrop scenes, as well as augmented reality. With Tacton CPQ's layout planning feature, however, we take this to a completely different level. The sales rep can upload customer-provided floor plans of the space in which the equipment is to be used. Through scaling, it's easy to ensure that the floor plan is displayed in its actual dimensions in the 3D visualization. Next, the sales rep starts configuring the product. She's not only guided by the visualization, but now she can also see the product in its layout with the floor plan displayed in its real dimensions. The sales rep can move the product around to its intended position and ensure it fits and avoids collisions. If the configured product consists of multiple machines and moving parts, such as this bottling line, each machine can be adjusted individually to elaborate with the spatial layout of the full line. By switching between configuration for each machine and the overall layout plan, the sales rep can easily define the solution, both in terms of features and functions, but also how it would be laid out in the customer space, without the involvement of engineering. The layout plan can then be automatically inserted into the quote, together with other data, sales bill of material, and pricing from CPQ. Tacton CPQ's layout planning creates value in multiple ways, especially early in the sales journey. You reduce cost of sales with less dependence on engineering and CAD tools. Sales reps can themselves qualify a prospect's fit, thereby avoiding wasting efforts on bad prospects. You increase win rates by shorter turnaround times for customers' inquiries, battling off competitors earlier in the buying journey. Also, by providing spatial layout tailored for your prospect's facilities, the quote content will better resonate with the prospect, thereby increasing the win rates. You reduce cost of errors, reworks, and misunderstandings by providing the visual context of your products.